Hi everyone, in this video, SADESIGN will show you how to create cracked skin in Photoshop. First of all, you should have cracked material photo. If not, I'll put this file in the description so you can download for trying this technique. Copy this photo with Ctrl-Command-A and Ctrl or Command-C. Then move to the model photo and press Ctrl or Command-V to paste it. Use Ctrl-T or Command-T to resize the cracked image and move it to cover the model's hand and face. Next, change blending mode from normal to multiply. Right-click to the FX icon and choose blending option. Hold Alt, click and drag the half triangle of white area in this layer to 184. After that, press Ctrl-Shift-X or Command-Shift-X to open the liquid file. Choose Forward Warp tool, W shortcut to push the crack to fit on his face and arm. Then OK. Take another cracked image by Ctrl-Command-V and resize it. Right-click and choose Rotate 90 counterclockwise to cover his body. Repeat the previous steps. Change blending mode to multiply. Open blending options. Reduce the half white to 184. Now, we use eraser tool to remove the crack that is not on his body in layer 1 and 2. Merge both layers with Ctrl-Command-E. Change blending mode to multiply. Go to Select, Subject, and press Delete to remove the crack that's still left on the background. Right-click to the adjustment icon and choose Hue Saturation. Check on the Colorize box. Click and map it to the below layer with Ctrl-Alt-G or Command-Option-G for Mac. Adjust the hue channel to the color that you prefer. Add layer mask to layer 2. Use eraser tool and remove the crack on his lips. Eyes or somewhere else that you want to eliminate. Duplicate the layer 2 by Ctrl or Command-J and move it on top of all layers. Choose Hue Saturation layer and click and mark it. Put them into a group. Change the blending mode of layer 2, copy from multiply to screen, and press Ctrl or Command-I. Go to blending mode. We will separate the black triangle into half in underlying layer this time, from 0 to 178, and the other one move to 87. This step is removing dark crack on his clothes. Use Move tool to move a little bit. Create a new layer with soft light in blending mode. Choose brush tool, be shortcut with white in the foreground. Take lasso tool, arrow shortcut, and make the selection of cracked areas that you want to remove the dark on his skin by using brush to paint after the selection are done. Reduce the opacity to 65%. Create a new layer with soft light in blending mode, and this time we will darken the areas where it should be dark. Put both layers into group and adjust the opacity till it looks natural. Create a new layer. Use blur tool to paint over his arm, body to make it a little bit blur. Only focus on his face. That's all for this tutorial. If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN, and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel by simply clicking the subscribe button. You will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis. If you have any ideas, don't hesitate to leave comments right below the video. We look forward to see your thoughts. Thanks so much for following and supporting SADESIGN. See you guys in the following tutorials. Bye bye.